everybody, it's Gia from the House of Fossies. Today we're going to be reviewing the Glam Goo Slime Kit. What comes in this kit is this container with 9 compartments, and whenever you tip it upside down, sparkles fall. Okay, the next thing it comes with are these 2 little colors, Electric Blue and Pinky Promise. And then it comes with some glitters. This is Cloud Crunch. It's just this pretty sparkly glitter. And then here we have Daydreams. And then it comes with Unicorn Tears, which is my favorite. Then it comes with this little ring container, which is good because you can take it to go. This little spoon, scent, and a pre-made slime. It also comes with instructions. So, on the instructions, I already read them over, and it said to start out with a little piece of slime. So let's take this out. It's kind of sticky, but we're just going to have to somehow figure it out. Okay. So first, you have to get this off my hands, because it's super sticky. Hopefully it doesn't get everywhere. And in the video, we're probably going to make 1 or 2 slimes. And then, yeah. Okay, so first, what I'm going to do is get some color, which I'm going to start off with this one. And you just add a little bit like that. And it's very sparkly. And this isn't a liquid coloring, it's like powder. It's soft, kind of feels like makeup when you touch it. I need to clean that up. And it's now this metallic-y, shimmery pink color, and yeah. Next, you're going to add in some glitter. Which it doesn't really matter what you add in. You can add in whatever you want. You can just make clear slime if you want, but since they gave us all this glitter, I'm sure most people use the glitter. Okay, so this first slime I made is very pretty. I really like it. And it's super stretchy and stuff. And as you can see, it's this pink slime with these little, they're not sparkles, but they're like unicorn tears. So I'm gonna call this a clear unicorn tear slime. And what I'm gonna do is open the box. So what you do is twist it and just pull the cap open. Take the lid off and put the slime in one of the compartments. And it's a perfect fit, and it's gonna look really cute on the back with all the sparkles. Okay. Let's try another slime. This time, I'm going to make a blue one with some different sparkles. So, it's okay if it has a little bit of pink still. It's okay if it's a little purple. I don't really mind. So here's this slime. And one thing I really like about this is that the slime's pre-made. And it's really cool. Oh, I forgot to add one more thing. This scent. I'm just going to add a drop and then mix it and then just let that sit there. First, I'm going to add the scent for this one. This smells like flowers, kind of, and it's a cute container because it has a little thing on there. So yeah, I'm just going to mix in the scent, and hopefully it'll smell nice. Hopefully 1 drop is enough, since I don't want to waste it all because it doesn't come with that much. So you're next going to add a spoonful of this color. And then once again, mix that all. I feel like once you add the powder, it starts to get a little less sticky, which I don't know if that's just because I'm mixing it, but it's really good. Oh, you can smell it, actually. Okay, so next I'm going to use Cloud Crunch. I think this one will look very nice with the blue, so I'm going to use it. If I could get it open. Oh, got it. Just going to add some sparkles. And hopefully this one will be crunchy like it says in the sparkle. It's very crunchy, actually. So this slime is super pretty. I really like this one. It's sparkly and blue. So this one is a bluish. This is like a really light blue and has the Cloud Crunch glitters in it. And like you do, you just put it in one of these little containers. This one's a little bigger than the other one. Well, actually, it's perfect. And as you can see, they're very pretty. So, and next I'm going to be making a ring slime, which I'm going to make a purple slime this time, just using 2 different colors, and that's the pink and the blue. So, yeah. First I'm going to open this because, you know, they're really tough to open. And since the ring is kind of small, I do not need a lot of slime. So I'm just going to get a little bit, just like, I actually think you only need this much. Put it down. Then I get some pink, put that there, and a little bit of blue. And close up these. I really like the colors because of how shiny they are to the clear. So, yeah, it's cool. So then I'm just going to mix this in. So as you can see, it's kind of forming into this purplish color, kind of like violet. So it's actually going to be perfect for the scent because if I didn't tell you all the scent name, it's called Violet Vibes. And I'm just going to drop. Good. And it's strong. You can already smell it. So then I'm just going to knead it. It's kind of sticky. Okay. Now I'm going to add the last sparkle, which is called Daydream. This one is like a lot. Like, it's amazing. Pretty. So this one I don't need a lot of sparkles. Just a little slime. So that should be good. Then we can mix it. Okay, this one is very pretty because kind of reminds me of a diamond color. Because as you can see, it stretches and stuff. And it's this purple with sparkles. So now what you're going to do is place this in here and hopefully, well, it looks pretty big enough. Hopefully it's not too big, which I think it is. Like way too big. What I can do is just take it off the sides. No, it's so hard. And hopefully it'll fit in better. And then just clip it on. Clean off the excess. Just a little bit didn't fit. It's the lid. And then the lid's kind of hard to snap on once there's slime in there. I don't know if it's because I put too much. But then it makes this cool ring. So the ring doesn't really fit my fingers. I don't know. Well, it kind of does. And it's like this ring that is like double-sided for 2 fingers. So it's really cool. And this is pretty because it's full up with slime. And then whenever you just want to play with it, you just open up the lid. So, yeah, that's a cool one. Cool container. Maybe next time I'll know to do a tinier slime. So I guess I'll just put this one in the bigger spot now. And then probably end up putting it on the other one. Since this one's kind of tiny, I'm going to put it in there. And another compartment you can put your slimes in, which I think is cool, is inside the heart. So I'm probably going to make one more slime, and it's going to be with all the colors and all the sparkles. So it's going to be very cool. So yeah, let's get on with that. So far, I really like this slime kit. But it's, oh my, if I can get it off my fingers, it'll be better. It's fine because whenever I'm mixing the sparkles in and stuff. I just think one thing I think they should do, if they're watching this video, I think they should make more scents and maybe more like colors and stuff. And I don't know if they need more glitter, but because I think they have a lot of glitter. So let's add some blue. This one's going to be purplish, I think. Probably just going to add blue since I just did it. Okay. Sparkles. Close that. Unicorn tears. Which, comment down below what sparkle is your favorite. Mine would have to be this one. Super cool. There's like so many different types. It's like, oh, okay. I'm just going to sweep that in there. Okay, and that will be enough for the unicorn tears. Oops. Okay, and then Cloud Crunch, which is perfect because it gives a perfect crunch. Okay, I think this slime will be very crunchy and stuff, hopefully, because that's what my favorite. Oh wow, that's nice. Okay. Oh, I forgot to add the scent. Just a drop. The scent isn't like a liquid. Oh, it's kind of like an oil. So that's what I think is cool. Now just time to mix it all. Some of the beads, sparkles are falling out, so I just need to put them back in just like this. So yeah, this was a very cool slime kit, and I really recommend you guys getting this because I really like it, especially since the slime's already made. So maybe you don't know how to make slime, and it's just really hard because you may do it wrong. Well, you don't have to worry because they make the slime perfectly for you, just how they want it to be. So, yeah. This one is so pretty, guys. Like, look at that. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the heart, actually. I think that would look good in the heart. A lot of people are like, slime is like a trend, but it was a really big one in last year. So let's just put the heart in. Now seal that up. And that's really pretty because it makes this pretty heart. And one thing is that this is a purse. I feel like it's closed. No, it's open. Like this. So you can wear it, and then on the back, you can see the slimes. So I think this is really cool, and you can take this on the go. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And please give this a like and comment down below which glitter was your favorite. Bye!